Summer has knocked the door of Central India, and with this begins the season of bird hide photography in my personal bird pond and hide. And this is the season opener. I always shoot videos with 60 frames per second at a resolution of 3840 into 2160, the so-called 4K. This gives me a liberty to create a slow motion in post-processing if I desire. Otherwise, I can keep it real time. 4K resolution serves the purpose that if there is an urge to crop the video frame, I can crop it up to 50% and still get a video quality of 1920 into 1080 pixels. And photo opportunity like this demands a fast shutter speed. And as I said many times in my previous videos, 1/1200 to 1/1600 is the fastest shutter speed you will ever need in any of wildlife photographic scenario. Stay tuned. In coming days, more activities and stories from this bird hide is coming up. This is just the season opener. Keep exploring. Until we meet next time.